Do you ever feel like you know a lot of English words, but when it's time to actually talk, your mind goes blank? You want to say something natural, but instead, you pause, translate in your head, and the moment slips away. Here's the truth. Single words won't carry you in real conversations. What you really need are phrases, the ready-made building blocks of everyday English. And that's exactly what we're practicing today. Stick with me until the end, because by the time we're done, you'll have a toolkit of phrases that you can use right away with friends, coworkers, or even strangers. And don't worry, I'm not just going to list phrases for you. I'll explain them, show you how they're used in real life, and give you short dialogues so you can hear them in action. That way, you're not just learning, you're training your brain to think in English. I'm Laura, your host here at Talk Easy, English Podcasts. This is your space to learn English in a way that's relaxed, practical, and most importantly, useful. So, let's dive straight in. Phrase 1, how's it going? You've heard this one before. It's the casual cousin of, how are you? You'll hear it in offices, cafes, schools, and even just passing someone in the hallway. Quick example. Hey, how's it going? Not bad, just tired from work. You? Pretty good. Excited for the weekend. See how light and natural that feels? Nobody's stressing, nobody's translating, it just flows. Backhand index pointing right, your turn. Say it out loud with me right now. How's it going? Not bad, just a little busy. Phrase 2, I'm just chilling. This one is casual, modern, and super common. It simply means you're relaxing, not doing anything important. Example. Hey, what are you doing? Nothing much, just chilling. You can use it at home, with friends, even when you're messaging someone. It instantly makes your English sound more natural. Try it with me. I'm just chilling at home. Or, we're just chilling at the park. Phrase 3, grab a bite. This is one of my absolute favorites because it makes you sound like a native instantly. Instead of saying, do you want to eat something? You just say, want to grab a bite? It's fast, casual, and perfect for everyday life. Example. I'm starving. Want to grab a bite? Sure, but not pizza again. Fine. Salad then. See? That little phrase, grab a bite, makes the conversation sound real, not like a textbook. Quick challenge. Think of the last time you were hungry. How could you invite someone using this phrase? Say it out loud right now. Phrase 4, call it a day. We use this one when we're ready to stop working, studying, or doing some task. Instead of saying, let's stop working now, a native speaker would say, I think I'm gonna call it a day. Example. Hey, we've been here for hours. Should we call it a day? Yeah, let's. I'm exhausted. Notice how natural that feels? Short, casual, and perfect for daily use. Phrase 5, take a break. This one you've probably heard, but let me show you how natives actually use it. It means exactly what it says. Pause, rest, recharge. Example. I've been editing this video for 3 hours straight. Mind if I take a break? Go for it. Just don't disappear for 3 hours, okay? Friendly, funny, and very human. Direct it before we move on. Here's a quick tip. Don't just listen passively. Pause the video, repeat the phrases out loud, and even try to create your own mini dialogues. The more you speak, the faster these phrases will become automatic. All right, we've just started 5 powerful phrases already. In the next part, I'll give you even more, from everyday chores like run errands to warm, friendly expressions like keep in touch. Trust me, you'll be using these the very same day you learn them. Part 2, everyday life phrases. We've already covered 5 super useful phrases. Now, let's keep building your toolkit with more expressions that come up in everyday life, whether you're running errands, catching up with friends, or saying goodbye. Phrase 6, run errands. This one is practical. It simply means doing small outside tasks, like going to the bank, buying groceries, or mailing something. Example. Hey, what are you doing this weekend? Not much, just running errands. Gotta hit the grocery store and the post office. Backhand index pointing right, quick challenge. Say out loud 3 errands you usually run in a week. For me, it's groceries, the pharmacy, and the post office. What about you? Phrase 7. Keep in touch. This is such a warm phrase. You use it when you want to stay connected with someone you might not see often. Example. It's been so nice working with you. Same here. Let's keep in touch, okay? Definitely. I'll text you soon. It's one of those phrases that feels small, but keeps relationships alive. Phrase 8. In a hurry. Perfect for those busy moments when you don't have time to stop and chat. Example. Can you help me real quick? Sorry, I'm in a hurry. I'll catch you later. Next time you're late for something, instead of saying, I don't have time, try using, I'm in a hurry. Phrase 9. Pick up. This one is super flexible. It usually means to collect something or someone. Examples. I need to pick up some groceries. I'm picking up my friend from the airport. Quick dialogue. Can you pick up some milk on your way home? Sure, as long as you promise not to drink it all in one day. Phrase 10. Just in case. A lifesaver of a phrase, it's all about being prepared for something that might happen. Example. I'll bring an umbrella just in case it rains. I packed snacks just in case the trip takes longer than expected. Try it yourself. What's one thing you always carry with you, just in case? Phrase 11. Get things done. This phrase makes you sound productive and focused. Example. What are you doing this weekend? Honestly, just trying to get things done. Lots of chores and emails to catch up on. It's short, but it communicates a lot, like you're serious and on track. Phrase 12. Catch up. This one's double use. Reconnect with someone. We should catch up soon. Get back on track. I need to catch up on my emails. Example. Hey, long time no see. We should catch up soon. Definitely. Coffee next week. Perfect. See how flexible it is? Phrase 13. Out of order. Simple but essential. It means something is broken. Example. The elevator's out of order. The website's out of order. Dialogue. Ugh, the printer's out of order again. Of course it is. Why wouldn't it be? Phrase 14. On the go. This one's for busy lifestyles. It means you're constantly moving from one place to another. Example. I've been on the go all week, meetings, errands, everything. Or, how's your week been? Honestly? Crazy. I've been on the go nonstop. Phrase 15. Make the most of. This phrase is all about enjoying or using something fully. Example. I'm making the most of my vacation by relaxing at the beach. Let's make the most of this sunny day and go outside. Let's pause for a second. You've just added 10 more powerful phrases to your English. Notice something? These aren't random. They're exactly the kind of phrases you'll hear every single day. And we're only halfway through. In the next part, you'll learn more social phrases, ones that make you sound friendly, casual, and confident in any conversation. Stick with me. You're about to level up even more. Part 3. Social and conversation phrases. We've covered a lot of practical, everyday English so far. Now let's shift into phrases you'll use in social situations, chatting with friends, starting conversations, and sounding more natural when you connect with people. Phrase 16. Settle down. This one has two meanings. Calm down. Settle down, it's just a movie. Build a stable life. After years of traveling, I'm ready to settle down and start a family. Quick practice. Can you use settle down in both ways? Phrase 17. Hang out. Super casual, super common. It just means spending time together without big plans. Example. What are you doing this weekend? Not much, just hanging out with friends. It's simple, but it makes your English sound authentic. Phrase 18. Hit the road. This phrase is great for when you're leaving or starting a trip. Example. It's getting late, time to hit the road. Let's hit the road early tomorrow to avoid traffic. Phrase 19. Break the ice. This one's all about starting conversations in situations that feel a bit awkward. Example. At a party, I broke the ice by asking about someone's favorite movie. Compliments are an easy way to break the ice. Phrase 20. Get the ball rolling. Means to start something like a meeting, a project, or even a fun activity. Example. All right, let's get the ball rolling on this new assignment. Dialogue. We've been talking forever. Should we get the ball rolling and actually start? Good point. Let's do it. Phrase 21. What's up? You'll hear this everywhere. It's the most casual way to greet someone. Example. Hey, what's up? Not much. Just chilling. You. Remember, it's not really about giving a long answer. It's just a quick, friendly hello. Phrase 22. Long time no see. Use this when you meet someone you haven't seen in ages. Example. Hey, long time no see. Yeah, it's been forever. How have you been? Think of a friend you haven't spoken to recently. Send them a message starting with long time no see. Phrase 23. I'm beat. This one's informal, but really common. It means you're exhausted. Example. After that workout, I'm beat. I worked late last night. I'm totally beat. Phrase 24. It's a piece of cake. Don't worry, no actual cake involved. It means something is very easy. Example. The test was a piece of cake. Cooking this dish is a piece of cake, you'll see. Phrase 25. Let's call it a night. Similar to call it a day, but specifically used in the evening when you're ready to stop. Example. It's midnight. Let's call it a night. We've worked enough. Time to call it a night. Phrase 26. I'm running late. Super practical. You'll use this often. Example. Sorry, I'm running late. I'll be there in 15 minutes. It's polite and shows respect for someone's time. Phrase 27. Hold on a second. This is what you say when you need someone to wait briefly. Example. Hold on a second. Let me grab my bag. Imagine you're on a call. How would you politely ask the other person to wait? Use hold on a second. Part 4. Forgetfulness, listening, and everyday situations. We've already gone through greetings, casual talk, and social phrases. Now let's move into expressions that make you sound more real and relatable. The ones people use when they forget things, want to listen better, or describe everyday situations. Phrase 28. It slipped my mind. This is a softer, more natural way to say I forgot. Example. Did you bring the notes for the meeting? Oh no, it slipped my mind. I'll grab them now. It sounds less harsh than just saying I forgot. Phrase 29. I'm all ears. This one shows you're ready and eager to listen. Example. I've got something important to tell you. Go ahead, I'm all ears. Great for showing interest in conversations. Phrase 30. It's on me. This is what you say when you're paying for someone, treating them. Example. Don't worry about the bill, it's on me. Lunch is on me today. Phrase 31. Let's play it by ear. Means to stay flexible and decide as things happen. Example. I'm not sure what time I'll finish work. Let's play it by ear. Dialogue. What time should we meet tomorrow? Let's play it by ear. I'll text you when I'm free. Phrase 32. I'm feeling under the weather. This is a polite way to say you're not feeling well. Example. I think I'll stay home today. I'm feeling under the weather. Phrase 33. Let's hit the hay. Casual and fun, it means to go to sleep. Example. It's been such a long day. Let's hit the hay. Phrase 34. It's not a big deal. A relaxed way to tell someone not to worry. Example. Sorry, I forgot to call you. It's not a big deal. Just call me tomorrow. Phrase 35. I'm just pulling your leg. This one is playful. It means I'm joking. Example. Did you hear everyone gets a month off work? Really? No, I'm just pulling your leg. Phrase 36. Let's get down to business. Used when it's time to stop chatting and focus on the main task. Example. All right, team, let's get down to business. You'll hear this a lot in meetings and work environments. Phrase 37. I'm in the same boat. This one's great for showing empathy. You're in the same situation as someone else. Example. My deadline is stressing me out. Don't worry, I'm in the same boat. Phrase 38. It's up to you. Means the decision is someone else's. Example. Pizza or sushi? It's up to you, I'll eat anything. Phrase 39. I'm swamped. This is a vivid way to say you're very busy, like you're drowning in tasks. Example. Sorry, I can't help right now, I'm swamped with work. Phrase 40, let's wrap it up. This one's perfect when you're finishing something. Example, it's late, let's wrap it up and continue tomorrow. In this part, you've learned how to soften I forgot, show that you're listening, offer to pay, and express busyness or closure. These are the little things that make conversations smooth and human. Part 5, we'll move into decision-making, motivation, and emotional phrases like bite the bullet, I'm in a nutshell, and take it easy. These will help you handle deeper conversations smoothly. Part 5, motivation, decisions, and honest moments. Now let's shift gears. These next phrases are all about making decisions, staying motivated, and expressing yourself honestly. They'll help you handle real-life conversations with more confidence and personality. Phrase 41, sit on the fence. This means you can't decide, you're undecided or neutral. Example, which movie do you want to watch? Honestly, I'm sitting on the fence. Both look great. It's a very visual idiom, like someone literally sitting on a fence, not choosing one side or the other. Phrase 42, bite the bullet. To finally do something unpleasant or difficult that you've been avoiding. Example, I hate going to the dentist, but I'll bite the bullet and book an appointment. Phrase 43, in a nutshell. Used when you want to summarize something in just a few words. Example, in a nutshell, the movie was about love, robots, and explosions. Phrase 44, take it easy. A warm, friendly phrase you use to tell someone to relax or not stress. Example, take it easy, you've studied enough for today. Phrase 45, that's a win-win. When everyone benefits. Example, if I cook dinner and you clean up, that's a win-win. Phrase 46, you're spot on. A casual, upbeat way of saying you're exactly right. Example, I bet your favorite Disney movie is The Lion King. You're spot on. Phrase 47, it's not my cup of tea. A polite way to say you don't like something. Example, horror movies aren't really my cup of tea. I prefer comedies. Phrase 48, that's the last straw. Used when your patience runs out completely. Example, the printer broke, the Wi-Fi crashed, and now my computer froze, that's the last straw. Phrase 49, hang in there. An encouraging phrase for someone struggling or stressed. Example, I know exams are tough, but hang in there, you're almost done. Phrase 50, I'm on it. What you say to show you'll handle something right away. Example, can you send that email before lunch? I'm on it. These phrases are super practical for decisions, encouragement, honesty, and clarity. They add warmth and personality to your English. Thank you so much for sticking with me through this journey. If you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to subscribe to Talk Easy English podcasts so you don't miss the next one. Share this with a friend who's also learning English. It might be exactly what they need. And in the comments, tell me, which phrase was your favorite today? Was it hang in there, go the extra mile, or maybe I'm running on fumes? I'd love to know. Remember, learning English isn't about perfection. It's about progress, one phrase, one conversation, one small step at a time. So keep practicing, keep listening, and keep believing in yourself. You've got this. And until next time, take care, my friend, and keep shining.